Okay, so now let's look at the question which is related to this module. So here in this case, you need to make this drawing using only the commands which are taught in this module. I will start with the circle command. So let's go to circle and click anywhere in the drawing area and make the first circle with radius of 2 units. So let's type 2 and press enter. Now press enter again to repeat the circle tool, and I'll go to the same center point. Now I'll make another circle with radius of 5 units and press enter. Now we have these two concentric circles. Now let's start with the line tool. So I'll click on line and now click at this quadrant. And if the quadrant is not visible, then you can click on this object snap option, and right beside that there is this small arrow. Just click on it and turn on this quadrant. Although this is a tool which we'll learn later on, but a little bit of knowledge of this tool is very helpful in making these kind of drawings. So you can turn on quadrant to see that point. Now we need to incline this line at an angle of 45 degrees. So let's type angle sign, and since this line is inclining in the downward direction, we need to enter -45 and press enter. Okay, so there we have it. Now the length of this line is 20 units, so let's type 20 and press enter. Now move it in the downward direction and enter a length of 5 units and press enter. So there we have it. Now let's press enter to exit this command and repeat the same process for the second side. So I'll press enter, I'll go to the next quadrant, and in this case I'll again type angle sign, and now I'll type an angle of 225 degrees. So let's type 225 and press enter. So there we have it. The angle inclined to 45 degrees with respect to the horizontal line. Once again, we need to enter a length of 20 units. So type 20 and press enter. Now move downwards, enter a length of 5 and press enter. Now join it with this existing point and press enter again. Now press enter again to repeat the line tool and join these 2 points. There we have it. Now we only need to add these 2 small circles, the circles which were here and here. And in order to do that, I'll start with line and click at a point, move it in left direction and enter the length 6 and press enter. Press enter again to exit it and press enter again to start it. Now click at this point and make another line with length 6 and press enter twice. Now go to the circle tool, click on this endpoint and make a circle with radius of 1 unit. Press enter again, go to this point, make another circle with radius 1 and press enter. Now we can erase these 2 lines. These are no longer required. And there we have it, our final geometry as per requirement.